start now. In the last class, we had seen how to calculate determinants of a matrix, right? So now let's go further and we'll study about minors and cofactors. Okay. So, and then we'll learn how to compute an inverse. Kizal re. कौन था राजस्थान म्हटलं थिंगा रेसिस्ट पीपल हाँ Okay, so let us start now. So if you are given a matrix, consider a matrix. I'll teach you this only for 3 by 3 and 2 by 2. So I'll start with the 3 by 3 case because the 2 by 2 case becomes very trivial. Like, okay. So consider A is equal to
ऐसे क्या बोल तो क्वेश्चन
अरे 1 + 2 2 + 1 हो जाता
है. Okay, so consider this matrix. Now I'll teach you all how to find the minors. Okay. So minors are very important for us to understand the properties of a matrix. Okay. So let us start with the first minor. Okay. Just a notation. Minor of A1, Aij is denoted by Mij. Okay. Okay. Mij value तुम्ही मारला असता ते का Mij is the value of the Mij is the value of the determinant is the determinant Mij is the value of the determinant of is the determinant of I'll tell you. Wait, how many days? Okay, so this is the submatrix obtained by. Deleting the ith row and झाले बरोबर झाले. Okay, write fast. So now let us start with calculating. What is going to be M11? You're going to delete the first row and first column from the matrix, right? Okay, so delete the first row and first column. What remains over there? If you delete the first column, all three entries are gone. If you delete the first row, these three entries are gone. What remains are only these four people over there, right? So take that determinant. What sound is that? Huh? Peacock? No, I know there was a peacock over there somewhere. That doesn't look like a peacock now. Huh? Hey, last Monday signature is only for those who watch the video. Huh? Those who don't watch, they don't get attendance over there. Huh? Ba karpa na re. I assume you're honest. Hey, everybody heard no? Only those who watch the video, last Monday's video, are supposed to sign on 18th. Huh? No, you'll have to write present on the video. Write in the comments over there, present one. After watching. Na left side gatala. Okay, next, find the minor of the M12. So what you will do here? Delete the first row and the second column. Minor. So here, what is going? Just look at the matrix. What is going to remain is A11, right? Wait. Let me just show you all what is this. First. Just see here. I'm deleting the first row and the second column. So what remains is this, and this. A32, sorry.
खरा दिसतो काय तो. त्याला गोलचं जोडी येतो. जोडी.
First row and third column I'll have to delete, right? So this is going to become A21, A22 will remain,
वन प्रथम गोल.
A31, A32. Okay? This determinants we'll have to compute after some time. Huh? Now I'm just giving you the formula. So computation I'll do after some time. Okay? Next, single row.
प्रथम मूवी त्यांना थोडा हे घाल. कपडा बनवतो. कॉलेज में ओळखना मेरे.
A21, second row and first column. So this will leave you with A12, A32. Next M22.
तो बर्थडे क्वीन बॅनर मारता. भाऊचा बर्थडे. भाऊचा बर्थडे.
111 A1.
अजून काय कोण पोस्टर वापरता संकेत बरे भरून घाला
Hey, we have to finish this subtopic and then only we are going home today.
I'll leave at 2:30. आमच्या 7 दिवसांनी भेटतो. Last day today.
Huh?
क्या बेटा सर
What are you talking to you? सर कोण काय मानते का?
काय दी आज जर मार्कशीट देतात मार्कशीट
गाय मानते कोण मानते?
प्रथम अंग्रेजी सिबामाचीच बॉडी आणि डॉट
Okay. So the third row and the first column, this will leave us with A11. Oh, sorry, first column is gone, no? A12, A1.
गुन्हा केला ना?
हे आता आहे
A32. Okay, delete the third row and second column. You will be left with A1, A11, A21, A31. Sorry, 1313. Yeah, this is
M21
2-3 and this is going to be 1-3. Okay, and the last entry is going to be M33.
ब्रांड क्यों ले जा रहे
Okay, third row, third column. This will leave you with A11, A12.
प्रथम गिविंग आहे बरं फर्स्ट दर्शनी
London.
इव्हेंट द्यायला सांग प्री बुकिंग पहिलीच करता
आगात तरी आम्हाला
दांडिया दांडिया नवरात्र घ्या
आमच्या तरी
हा, येता 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 पण बरी येता
Okay.
जे करोड बोंबी आपण
नाही होतो लेट झाली अहो ते की नाही गो attendance sheet is there. Okay, let us do one example.
मोठं घे कोणाचं का सर वाव बोराल मोठं सामोसा खायला
Okay, tell some numbers now.
21
Last Monday I was alone in the class, but still I was asking the question, and I only was answering the question. So sad of me. Huh? किती?
थोडे आता धाव केलं धावपासून
So 2 1 आणि सांगाय नंबर सांगाय रे टेल नंबर हा 4 नेक्स्ट कोण आधी का
सिंगल नीड गर्लफ्रेंड म्हणून घ्या
नंबर सांग रे नेक्स्ट वन मोर नेक्स्ट तो फोन घेऊन किती होत रे किती होता हा नंबर सांग नेक्स्ट म्हणा तू सांग नंबर सांग नेक्स्ट हाँ 2 चलो पूरा okay so now let us calculate this start with m11 3 5 1 2
सिंगल नीड
6 how do you find this determinant 3 into 2 for those of you who are not there for last class this is 3 into 2 minus 5 into 1 right that becomes 1 next is m12
किती लागलं
तू दिले भूकला रे आम्हाला फोटो बघ फोटो बघ
काही कोण होता रे आणि खाणार बा
आज दिस आहे मेरे
किती लागले
अरे 5 रुपये ना
m13 so this is going to become next we'll do here m21 that is going to become second row and first column. So it's going to leave you with 1 4 1 2. So this is going to be 1 into 2 minus 4 into 1, that is going to be equal to so M22 this is going to leave you with 2402. And M two into finish writing.
प्रथम मासा मोठा झाला त्याला काय समजलं डायरेक्ट पोची चढा आणि पिया
What are you doing there? You're clicking on selfies or something? Okay, finish writing. We'll continue. So M31 1 into 5 minus 3 into 4, that is going to leave me with minus 7, right? So here I'll delete the third row and second column. That will leave me with 2 4 4 5. This is 10 minus 16, so minus 6. Two into 3. So 6 minus 4, this is 2. Okay, everyone understood how to find the minors?
एकाच होता असतो फुटबॉल गया सॉलिड
Finish writing, everyone. Bore bore vegan bore. Okay, finished. So we'll move on. Shh. So just take A over here to B. Huh? What are you saying? No, minor, no. So minor of 1 1 will be what? You delete the first row, first column. What remains? Only one entry remains there. It is A22. Right? So M12 will be what? Delete the first row, second column. You will be left out with A21. What are you talking? Okay, so in the 2 by 2 case is a very simple thing to do. Just write one entry only. Nothing is to be calculated. It's just one number over there. Okay. Okay. So let us go to the next thing, that is, so after we study minors, the next thing is to study is cofactors. Okay.
सर ऐसे वाला किती पूछा
First two chapters.
फर्स्ट चॅप्टर कंप्लीट ते शिवन समाचार
I सांडोईल ते. I सांडोईल. हाँ?
साम दावा सांगा
एक मकसद है. The cofactor. The the cofactor matrix of A is the matrix C How old were you all when that meme came? How old were you all when that meme came? It was somewhere in 2018, no?
5 to 6.
10th, 11th, you all were. Who's Ajit?
मला पास आवडतो तिला पास आवडतो
Arey, why are you sitting behind? Oh, they come in front, no? Okay. Okay. See, for 2 by 2 case, it's very easy. Who's that? For 2 by 2 matrix. for 2 by 2 matrix. So A is this. Okay, so this leaves you easily with a C for a 1 plus 1 is what? 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 will be what? It will become 1 again, right? So this will become A22 only. This will be minus 1 to the power 3, which is going to become minus 1. Okay? And this will be 2 plus 1 again 3. So minus 1 to the power 3 is minus 1. So A12. And this is going to be minus 1 to the power 2. That will be 4. That will become 1. So this is going to be A22. Yeah, sorry. Okay. Everybody understood up till here? Okay, let us take one example.
क्वेश्चन क्या है बोर्ड वाले वाले जीबीएस ना ऐसे जीबीएस
Then copy. Which one? Yeah, this is the minor, no? Yeah, I had made a mistake. I changed the answer. होंगे नहीं तेरे दाखिल भुरग्यांक को डेटिंग He's very happy like to go. Huh? Okay. So we'll solve this problem here. So the minus will be what? I have little less place on. So M11 will be what? 2. M12 will be what? 5, right? Same way M 1 3, not 1 3, what is this? 2 1. 2 1 will be equal to 3, and M 2 2 will be equal to 1. Okay? So what will be the cofactor matrix here? This will be, see, just look at the position which I'm at. So this will be minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. Okay, after you become experts, you won't write down these numbers. So this into 2. So next will be minus 1, 1 plus 2. And the number here was M12, 5. So minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. This will be equal to 3. And this will be minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into 1. So this will leave us with plus 2, minus 5, minus 3, 1. Okay, so done with this, we'll do one more example for 3 by 3 now. वेगळी बरे आहे गो किती बरयताय तुम्ही म्हाताऱ्या भाषेन हा का बारू Finish writing. So let us do one example for 3 by 3 now. So let us take one example here. Three. Okay, so let us start with finding the minors first. I'll do this in my mind only. What I have to do? I have to drop the first row and first column, right? So what remains is this. So this is going to become minus 2 M12. Drop the first row, second column. So this will become 5 1. First row, third column. This will leave you with 25 minus 9. That is 16. So next, moving on, M21. Somebody cross check these numbers now. 3 into 1, 5 minus, so this will become minus 22. So this will become 1 into 1, minus 3 into 5, so minus 14. So next, second row, third column. So 5 into 1, minus 3 into 3, minus 4. 3 1, 3 into 1 minus 3 into 5, so this will leave you with minus 12. M 3 2, M 3 2, what will this be? 1 into 1 minus 5 into this thing, so minus 24. M 3 3, 3 into 1 minus 5 into 3, so again minus 12. So what will be the cofactor matrix? By the way, for 3 by 3, what are the entries now? This will become minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1. कौन डॉ So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, that is 2, right? So that will be plus 1. So this will remain here as minus 2. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, that is 3. This will become minus 1. So this will become minus 2. 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. So minus 1 to the power 4 will become plus 1. So this will become 16 over here. This will become minus 1 to the power 1, 2 plus 1, that is 3. So this will make it negative. Negative will make it this positive. This is minus 1 to the power 4. That will become minus 14 then. This is minus 1 to the power 5. That will become minus 1 into this. So that will become plus 4. Okay. Here you have 3 plus 1. That's minus 1 to the power 4. This will leave you with minus 12 only then. This becomes 3 plus 1, no 4. Yeah, so this will become 3 plus 2, that is 5. Minus 1 to the power 5 will be minus. So this will become plus 24. Okay. And this will become minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3, that will be 6, and hence this number will become minus 12. So this is the cofactor matrix. Done with the cofactor matrix. Yeah, so just note one shortcut trick here. Just note, not so shortcut, but just note this trick. For a 3 by 3 matrix, now the cofactor, it will have a minus sign over here, over here, over here, and here. Okay, why is that so? Because this position is what? This is 1, 2, right? So 1 plus 2 becomes 3. This is 2, 2, 1. So this becomes 2 plus 1, 3. This is 2 and 3. Yeah, so that is 2 and 3, and that becomes 5. So minus 1 to the power 5. This is 3 and 2, 5. Okay, so this will also be negative. Okay, so what you have to do is you have to find only the minus and fit them inside this, right? No need to write at minus 1 and all every time. Okay, directly only you have to change the sign of this 4 entries. Everything else you have to keep the same. Okay, and for 2 by 2 what you have to do? You have to change only this one sign and this one sign. Okay, all other minus you have to fit them as they are. Okay, it's all other ones, only this one and this one is there. Okay, clear? So I'll give you all 2 examples now. Solve that before we go ahead. It be like this, along the, says some name, I don't know. Okay. Give some numbers. Start with who? Numbers, huh? 2 next, 7 next, 3 next, next. Number देखो. Number दी. Huh? Next. Who else is the next? You tell. How much? 4. And you what said? 6. Chalo, find this one's cofactor fast. So, moving on. So cofactor matrix for this is somebody tell what is the answer. 4 minus 30 minus 30
Okay, row wise. So 4 minus 22, 14 minus 30,
minus 30
9 minus 1, 8, 6, minus 24.
Okay. Everybody got this? Okay, so let us go to the next thing. Okay, next thing is the definition. the transpose cofactor matrix is called the adjoint of so denoted by adjoint of A. Okay. So for this matrix, what is going to be the adjoint of A? For this matrix, what is going to be adjoint of A? So just write the diagonal again, 4 9 minus 24. Okay, so just interchange this. 8. Okay, I interchange the rows and the columns over here. Okay, what were the rows? I wrote them as columns. What are the columns? I wrote them as rows. Okay, so that becomes your adjoint. Clear? Huh? Oh yeah, transpose काढपाचं. Done? वेगळी बरोबर का? So let's go further. Right first. जायता हाँ. हाँ definition it in right. Done? Inverse of a matrix. If A is a n cross n matrix, okay, if A is a n cross n matrix with determinant of A not equal to 0, then A inverse is equal to A inverse is equal to okay. Then the inverse of A is nothing but 1 upon A adjoint of A. Let us start with the 2 by 2 case and finish that off. I have already taught you all one more method to find the inverse. So sometimes that becomes easy, sometimes this becomes easy. Huh? So it's depends on the situation. Like, Hidalgo. There go last scale of them before we went for Ganesh holidays. झाले Breno? What happened? झाले Brian झाले? So let us take the 2 by 2 case first. Consider matrix A with 4 entries A, B, C, D. I'll use A, B, C, D instead of writing this thing. So what is going to be determinant of A? Determinant of A will be AD minus BC. अरे तो आल्ला क्लास है ना? What happened there? No, for him I'm saying. क्लास आल्लो म्हणटीस खबर नासली म्हाका जागून आसलीस तुजी. Okay, so what is adjoint of A over here? Before we find adjoint, we'll have to find the minors, right? Minor of 1 1 will be D, minor of 1 2 will be C, minor of 2 1 will be B, and minor of 2 2 will be A. Okay, so the cofactor matrix over here is so cofactor matrix is this. What is going to be the adjoint? Adjoint of A is going to be okay. So finally, what will be A inverse? Okay, so this is what we get. So now what do we see is the inverse of A? Just notice this thing. What did I do from here to here? See, the original entries, how did I change? I interchanged the positions of A and D. For C and B, I put a minus sign. That's all what I did. Okay? So in other words, I'll just write it over there. If A is A, B, C, D, then A inverse is equal to 1 upon this AD minus BC. So what is the similarity between both the matrices? You all can see. What I've done is I've interchanged the positions of A and D. Can you all see that? Right? And I've just reversed the signs. Basically, I multiplied by -1 for C and B. Clear? Okay. So you all can do this with a formula like, no need to calculate anything. Okay. So if you start with the matrix A, if it just take 1, 2, 3, 5, what will be A inverse? Somebody tell me fast. So it's going to become 1 upon 5 minus 6 upon 5 goes here, 1 comes here, minus 3 here, minus 2 here. Clear? Okay. There is a -1 outside. Okay, clear? So this is the answer over here. If you all want, you can multiply that -1 inside. If you all want. Even if you all multiply, what I will get -5 plus 2. That denominator contributed that -1. Clear? So next I'll give you all a matrix with very big numbers, but still you all will be able to find it. So let's take 99, 11, 12, 13. हाँ किस वाले व्यस्त हैं उड़ेल फिड़े हाल तो गया हाँ 3:30 no yeah it's only 3:15 हाँ
5 minutes early.
रहम करो it is रहम you said रहम okay what is the A inverse? A inverse will be 99 into 11 minus 12 into 13. Okay, this is the only big calculation like you have to do. Other than that, this is the same thing. But this calculation is also not so difficult. What is going to be 99 into 11?
1089.
Yeah, 1089. So 1089 minus 12 into 13. So 144 plus 156. Subtract this, how much is this? 933. Okay, so this is what you'll get. Easy, no? So for 3 by 3 you don't have such straightforward formulas that you have to manually sit and calculate. What you two boys are doing there? These two boys I'm seeing over here. Yeah, you all too. Good to me. Next good day. Okay, so let's go to 3 by 3. Finish copying. Right fast. Hmm? 3:15 huh? Today I'll get more than 3:30 I'll leave you 3:30. Done everyone, finish copying. In our own dream world, like.
That copy.
Okay, so let us go to a 3 by 3 matrix. We'll take easy numbers because we want to go home early. Okay, so we can do this now. Let us start with finding the minors. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll directly find the cofactor matrix. Everyone is okay with that? Because what I have to do, I have to find the minors and make them sit inside that matrix, right? So it's an direct thing. Okay, this I'll go. What happened? Okay, I have to make them sit inside over there and I have to just adjust the signs, right? So it's minus here, minus here, minus here, and minus here. Okay, so let us start here. So minor corresponding to this entry will be 2 into 3 minus 1 into 1, that is 6 minus 1, that is going to be 5. Right? Next, it will be 3 into 3 minus 2 into 1. That is 9 minus 2, so minus 7. Okay. Next, for this entry 3, it will be 3 into 1, 2 into 2. Minus 1 it will become. Next it will become this entry, so 3 into 2 into 3 minus 1 into 3, so that will be 3 and there is a minus sign outside, so it will become minus 3. So this will become 1 into 3, 2 into 3, minus 3 over here. Next it will be 1 into 1, 2 into 2, so minus 3 and this minus sign will make it plus 3. Okay. Next it will be 2 into 1 minus 2 into 3, so minus 4. Huh? What happened? Next will be 1 into 1, 3 into 3. Sorry. 1 into 1 minus 3 into 3. So that will be minus 8 and there is another minus sign here. So this will become plus 8. Okay. Next, this entry 1 into 2 minus 3 into 2. So 2 minus 6, that will give you minus 4. Okay, got? So this is your cofactor of A, this thing A. What is going to be your adjoint of A? Just take the transpose of this. 5 minus 3 minus 7 minus 3 plus 8 minus 1 plus 3 minus 4. What are you doing? Yeah, so what is the determinant of this? We also have to calculate the determinant of this matrix. What is going to be determinant of A now? Let us calculate 1 into 2 into 3. By the way, when you are calculating this determinant, no, the entries of the determinant are already calculated here. 5, 7 and 1. Okay, you all will realize that. Do this calculation, you all will realize that number is this only. Okay. Then here you have minus 2. You all didn't get what I did here. See, what is the determinant when you are calculating? No. See, you do 1 into this determinant, no, of this submatrix here. But this was already the minor which you calculated here. So same with this number is also a minor and this number is also a minor. Always it's like that. You all did the calculation like that, no? So after you will calculate the minors, there is no difficulty in calculating the determinant. The determinant numbers are already inside over here. Okay, only thing you have to take care of the sign, because you will multiply a minus sign over here already. Okay, so since you have already multiplied this minus sign, what was that? Yeah, this was going to be take care and write this without the minus sign over here. This minus sign was contributed by the cofactor. Okay, next was plus 3 times. What is the minor of 3? Minor of 3 was minus 1. 5 minus 14 minus 3. Agreed? Those boys appear to be having a lot of fun behind there. Huh? What kind of bond? Huh? What they're doing? What kind of bond? What kind of bonding? I will test Adon can kit kuttai the mini. Don't have any tension also, no? Learn something from that Royden at least, man. He's preparing for tomorrow's test over there. Huh? He was preparing for the test and these boys are having fun over there. Shit. Okay, so what is going to be the A inverse then? A inverse is equal to 1 upon minus 12. Okay, got everyone? There's no point in taking that minus 12 inside, and it won't cancel with most of the numbers. Some numbers it cancels, but it won't cancel with 5 and 7. So let it be outside only. Finished? What sounds you are making? Why he got surprised? What you showed him to get surprised? Okay. Three, 4, 5. 3. 6, 9, 10. Okay, so now for this matrix, Okay, for this matrix now, let us find the minors. Let us find the cofactor matrix. So 50 minus 45, that will leave you with 5. I just remember this first. कितको तरी होता? So 30 minus 30, 0. Okay, 30 minus 30 will give you 0. Next, huh? It is 0 here, but I want to show that you can still find the cofactor. Determinant is 0 for this matrix, huh, by the way. Yeah, so 18 minus 30, so minus 12. Next is going to be this, so it's going to become 40 minus 45. 40 minus 45, that's going to give you plus 5. It is minus 5 into another minus, huh? That's why it's become plus 5.
It is minus 3, not minus 2.
Which one you're saying? Ah, 9 into 3. Sorry. I did 9 into 2. So 27 minus 30. So this will leave you with minus 3. Minus 3, no? Okay. Next is 30 minus 30 again. So 0. Next will be 27 minus 24. That will leave you with plus 3, but this is minus sign waiting for you there. Okay. Next, this will be 4 into 5, that is 20 minus 25, so minus 5. Next is 3 into 5 minus 3 into 5, 0. Next is 3 into 5 minus this thing, so plus 3. Notice that all 3 rows are basically the same thing except for one minus sign there. Okay. So next, that thing can be easily found, adjoint can be found. 5, 5, minus 5, 0, 0, 0, minus 3, plus 3. Okay. What is going to be determinant of A now? Determinant of A, I'll just do it. This is going to become 3 into 5 minus 4 into 0 plus 5 into minus 3, which will give you a 0. Okay, so determinant is 0, hence this one's inverse does not exist, huh? Because a determinant is 0, we say that A inverse does not. Okay. Done. So one last exercise and then we go home. One, two, four, 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 three, three, two. Okay, find A inverse. Okay, find A inverse and go home. ना हिंगा सोद घरा को ते माजर स्वता येते सुन स्वता येते मागी भुरग्यां
आणि थर्ड सेकंड थर्ड फोर्थ फायनल
अरे येणार नाही ना. अरे
आता इथल्या मार्क्स
अरे
ओय काबा केला प्रॉब्लेम काबा करून घरास मोडूंगा
रनच गेम करता आमच्या सायन्स आपलं एक आणि चौथा हप्ता मी नाकारले किती
8 minus 3, this will become 5, 4, 8 minus minus 5, 0, 4 minus 12 minus 8 plus 8, 4 minus 12, then 2 minus 12 minus 10, next is 3 minus 6 minus 3 plus 3, 2 minus 16 minus 14, 1 minus 16 minus 15 plus 15, 4 minus this thing is going to become minus 4. Correct, this thing is anybody completed this much part? Correct, this is 5 minus 5, 0, 8 minus 10, 3, minus 14, plus 15, minus 4. Okay? So this determinant is going to be 1 into 5, minus 2 into 5. That's going to give you minus 5. Okay, so A inverse is 1 upon minus 5. Adjoint of this is going to become 5 minus 5, 8, minus 10, 3, 0, minus 14, 15, minus 4. Got this answer? Everybody got the same answer? I'm waiting for you all only. Full class is waiting for you all. Waiting for it. Okay, we finished. Okay, so with this we'll stop. All time. Okay then, chalo, bye bye, tata.